This is how I design an email in Canva, export it out, and actually put it into my email service provider like Klaviyo. Now, I do want to point out that you should never export this whole image. You need to break it up in sections. So what I do is you'll see that every part here is its own section. And I actually teach this in my email design toolkit, which you can grab at the top of my page. So I'm not going to go into crazy detail about it, but I'm going to give you the quickest overview. The product block you see here is actually done in Klaviyo itself. So I just take a screenshot in Klaviyo and I pull it in so I can see the full design, as well as the buttons, the white buttons at the bottom of this email. That is also done in Klaviyo, but I like to put it here so I can see the design as a whole. As I said, every section is broken up. So this is my hero section on its own document in Canva. It's a video, and all I'm going to do is export it as a GIF. The same thing with the banner at the bottom is also a GIF. So I create it here and then export out of Canva as a GIF. This text section here, I'm going to be a little bit tricky, and I'm going to make sure to use the top and bottom text as native text in Klaviyo, and the middle section is going to be an image. This is Klaviyo and my email service provider, and this is what the email now looks like as I've pulled everything in. The header should always be the same, and I recommend not to change this. So if I click on the first hero image, you can see my GIF is there and it's been pulled into an image block. The next section down, I've got my text, and you can see on the left hand side, I've actually typed my text in here natively. I then have my image. I pulled that directly in from my computer, and as well as the bottom part is also native text. This is a product block, and this is designed in Klaviyo, and it pulls directly from your Shopify store, and it's all designed on the left hand side there. So once you have that, you can preview it, and then you can just take a screenshot of it and just pull it into your canvas so that your design is always on point. At the bottom, I've got my banner here, which is a GIF, and then all the way at the bottom, I have the 3 buttons, which I've just implemented on the left hand side there directly from Klaviyo itself. This is my exact process from design phase to implementation, and it works seamlessly every time.